more could... Uh-oh. On your leg! Hey! Tell me when!
Atreus, look for a brake to stop the train. Should be a lever of some sort.
Found it! The brake's stuck!
Keep trying, little brother.
Father!
Stop this train!
I think it's about to...
No!
Shit!
Get up!
Father! A troll? I can't believe it. Are you serious?
Watch out! Impressive!
Behind! Behind you, Father! That was crazy. All of it.
You said it, little brother.
Ski off! Look out! Get down!
We go in.
So,
On blazing.
like the mouth you had on the train, lad.
It's just a word. I've heard way worse from
The word does not matter. You lost control.
We were falling through the air. I thought we were gonna die.
Is that what you truly wish your last word to be?
No.
In moments of crisis, panic does nothing. Harness it. Let it serve you.
I'm gonna play New Game Plus though.
Look on the ground. Tracks. These must lead into the mine. We'll need to get past this cargo. Got fun.
You're right, what's that?
Hey, looks like you stopped the water flow on that trough. That's it. Let's head across.
Yo, mano, what's up?
There's a brazier to the left of the chest. Maybe you can...
Let's go for New Game Plus. Region S, what's up? Let's go. Oh, bullion van. Oh, I remember. What's up?
I hope Fenrir got some sleep. Maybe he'll be ready to eat when we get home.
He is. Quite sick, Atreus.
I know, but he was a little better yesterday. Until he wasn't. If he keeps eating, I'm not giving up on him.
Yeah, I'm doing good, bro.
Hear that?
Yes.
Yo, Leon, what's up?
Does it hurt?
It is her. The state is not far. Get ready.
Yeah, bro.
She wouldn't give up that easy, would she?
She never does. Stay alert.
There she is! Mother!
Come on.
Let go of her! Got you! You gotta get away from her!
I'm trying.
Up there! What's she? Look out! The trees! They're coming down! That was too close. He's coming around again!
I do not wish to fight you.
I'm losing my grip here! Father!
I have you. Hold tight. Protection stave is near.
Wow.
Oh no! Freya, we're not your enemy!
Freya, what?
Come on, Kratos.
Please don't make me do this! We're through the stave. We made it.
We made
Let us
it.
go home.
It's Becky. Svana. Up. I'm sorry I couldn't take the shot.
I did not wish you to.
I keep hoping she'll let it go. You saved her life.
I killed her son. There is no letting that go.
Yeah. I guess killing Baldur really did bring on Fimbulwinter. Never stopped snowing after that day. Think it's ever gonna get better?
Someday. But the worst is still ahead of us. We must be strong.
I got it.
All right.
I will get the deal.
Go on, girls.
Kratos.
don't hear him. He always says hello.
Atreus.
Fenrir, you okay, boy? It's okay, boy. You're okay. I know. I missed you too. Where's your food? Still hungry? Come on, boy. You need to eat. Eat. Why? Too big? There you go. Good boy.
Atreus, the time draws near. You must prepare yourself.
For what?
Let's go. This should load faster, man.
Faye,
Are you ready? You walk as though Emir himself sits atop your shoulders.
this is your hunt. I will follow.
Very well, Grumbles. Fresh kill. At least it didn't suffer. Am I to decipher your grunting? Tell me your thoughts.
We hunt the predator.
A wolf. Yes.
Predators kill. It is the natural order of things.
Your words are misguided. Shh. Approach slowly. It's okay, little one. We want to help. Don't we? No, don't! Come on. The sick wolf we found beyond our stave. He found his way inside. As I said he would. We should have acted.
It was not our concern. Now it is.
The problem doesn't have to reach our
Yo,
doorstep.
man,
It's
what's up?
our responsibility.
Hey,
If we have the power to limit the harm it could cause, we should act. Who are we to hide and do nothing?
We are not hiding.
Gonna make me pick that one up? Good boy.
Faye. Faye.
she's gone.
Faye.
I'm sorry, what's up?
Faye!
Time is running out, my love. And there is much to do.
Brother! Brother! Brother?
Where's Atreus?
Hence my bellowing. He never came back from burying the wolf. It's been some time.
He cannot be far.
Ramon, what's up? Yeah, man, I'm doing good. How you doing, bro?
Baldur's chasm is too unstable, brother. The lad wouldn't try it.
This has not been opened.
No prints this way either. You don't suppose he was training in the middle of the night?
I suggested as much.
Did you? What on earth for?
He was breathing.
Oh, Kratos. I know you're trying.
You little bit of Trump. He never came back.
Let's see. Tracks heading down to the frozen river. That's most likely where he did the burying.
Locked.
Aye. Fire's dwindling now. Where else could he have gone
He
from
crawled
here?
through here.
You seem troubled in your sleep, even for you. Nightmares?
I dream of the past. Almost every night.
Ah, the bad old days in Greece?
No. It feels like Faye's trying to tell me something.
You don't mean to say you're talking to ghosts again, brother?
No. But it is something more than memory.
Use your words, brother.
The tracks stop here.
And we're not alone. Look out! Good show!
Who's there?
Right flank! Leader on the left! Shake it off, man! You've got this! Blasted raiders!
They should not be this close.
We should check on the protection stave. There's a tree up ahead, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, good to know, our man. You're doing good, bro.
Right. The stave is broken.
Explains our trespassers. What happened here?
A bear. Mauled.
By what?
A larger bear.
Good luck, bro.
The fight destroyed the tree. We must find Atreus.
Aye. Between the savage beasts and marauding raiders, he may have sought shelter. Follow the trail. We'll find him. Aha! Trail's on the other side of that gap, if you can hear the way. Any idea what could have made the lad wander off?
We argued. He accuses me of hiding from Odin.
Only sensible to keep a low profile after killing 3 of his kin.
A reckoning will come. That is why Atreus must learn to survive on his own.
Oh, this is about that prophecy. Just because the giants had you dead on some wall full of otherwise accurate predictions.
I do not believe in prophecies.
Well, good. That's a lot of blood, brother.
We must find him.
Am I going back?
We should get back to finding Atreus.
And what do you believe about prophecy, Mimir?
I'm skeptical by nature, though we have seen things that defy explanation. So, speaking as the smartest man alive, I've no bloody idea. Behind you! Incoming! Raider on the left! All right.
Yo, Emmy, what's up, brother? GG's. Hope you're doing good, bro.
Watch your left!
Wow, that was hot. I didn't see it coming.
Scouting party. They must have a camp nearby.
I know what you're thinking, brother. But Atreus can handle
Oh,
himself.
good to know you're doing good, Emmy. Yeah, I'm doing good, bro.
So he keeps telling me. Torches. And the trail leads into that cave.
Well, we know where we are going. I'm sure we can find a quiet way in. Are these the raiders you rescued the wolves from?
No. They have not been here long.
The trail goes through here. Leads deeper in.
There will be more.
Well, someone got in the bear's way. That one's got a sling. Look out, brother.
That was a Spartan finish. Oh, what are we gonna play next? Oh, maybe some COD, bro. We should be able to climb up, bro. Oh, it's like someone is still alive. Oh, I see.
Atreus, are you here?
Perhaps Atreus came here seeking shelter. Kept moving when
Are
he
you
saw the
here?
raiders, and the bear came barreling after. Impressive rampage, I'll give it that.
You think the bear was chasing Atreus?
Well, just as likely the bear was hurt and Atreus was chasing it to help. You know the lad.
Atreus, where are you?
AMC is good, bro.
Well, we found the bear. He found us. Oh, he seems angry. Here it comes! Oh, you've done it now, bear! Hit him before he stops again!
Ow, he got me.
Right side!
Whoa, whoa, I'm trying to get juice.
Grab him! He's looking shaky, brother!
As a Atreus. Wow.
Atreus! 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 Atreus.
What?
First, focus. Heal.
What happened?
You don't know what happened?
I prayed Fenrir. And then I'm not sure. I was so sad. And then I was angry and scared. I remember running. There was a bear charging, and I charged back. That had to be a dream.
Your emotions. They transformed you.
I didn't know I could do that.
You did not do anything. They overcame you. That is why we must not abandon your training. We do not know the reach of your abilities. They will be dangerous without discipline to control them.
You've already taught me discipline. I need more than that. I need answers. Answers you don't have.
Answers only your mother had. Answers she withheld.
What if there was someone who could help us? Someone that could give us answers about the Giants and who Loki's supposed to be.
Atreus.
Wouldn't it help to understand what I'm becoming?
Atreus! Listen to me. I might have killed you. Until you learn control, we will take no unnecessary risks.
Inaction is also a risk. You taught me that. Stop thinking like a father for a moment and start thinking like a general.
No! No. Collect yourself. This way.
This way, boy.
Are we going to discuss the boy becoming a bear?
Yeah. Are we?
Not now. We need to repair the protection station.
Yeah, I'm doing good.
What
What's
happened
up?
to the protection
You
station?
doing good?
Did.
So you're blaming me?
I am not blaming you, Atreus.
Well, tell your voice that. Say the word, Father.
Another raider! To the left! So, lad, besides your gift of language and
Yo, Gary, what's
hearing
up?
thoughts, are there any other new magical abilities to report?
Not really.
What of Fenrir?
Forgot.
When he died, you cast a spell.
No, I didn't.
But I saw.
Yeah, bro.
I don't know what you're talking
Been a
about.
while though.
Trick of Fimbulwinter, perhaps. Seen my share.
Oh, I recognize where we are now. Wait, not that way. Let's go home.
We going home. Ah. Yeah. Oh, all right. This way. Got everything I need.
What's with all the blood?
Yours, Atreus.
Seriously?
That, or any prey you might have been dragging, I suppose.
Not sure that makes me feel any better.
This one.
Asya. I didn't mean to.
Intent does not matter. Only consequences.
What? What can we do?
Nothing. Nature will take its course.
Storms are coming.
Isn't it cold enough?
We are almost home.
Another raider! To the left!
Incoming fire!
Find you, watch out!
Still standing, yeah? Wow. A lot of those guys.
It's been like this all night.
They must have been inside the stave when I fixed it.
I can't.
Hey, Svanna. You're not scared. You're a brave girl. Good. Brave girl. That's right.
He's good.
Atreus!
I'm just checking on...
To bed!
Yes, sir.
Too bad.
As evenings go, that was entirely too eventful. Though I admit it was a bit like old times there, for a moment. The three of us navigating some hitherto unhappened upon patch of forest.
Been a while since you've joined us. If that's what you mean.
Ah, well, just tired, I suppose. You've seen one deer hunt, you've seen them all.
How can you feel tired when you never sleep?
There are other kinds of tired, lad. You'll see when you're older. Now have a proper rest, my brothers. Things are always brighter in the morning.
What was that?
The ball! Who are you?
Can I come in?
That's tall.
Have mead.
You would not find me good company.
No. I'm sure we'll find lots to talk about. Nice place.
Okay, no weapons.
You could have told me before I poured.
Why are you here?
Just, being polite. You seem like a calm and reasonable person. Are you? A calm and reasonable person.
If the moment calls for calm.
I'd say the moment calls for calm. Yeah.
Odin.
You know who I am?
Oh,
Back before winter set in, there were some misunderstandings. Regrettable ones. But I think we all have a better idea of who we're dealing with. Now, what you did to his boys. Self-defense. Dying is what we Aesir live for. And let's be honest, they were kinda useless. But Baldur, he had value. He was my best tracker, my closer. Yeah, his mind was gone, sure. But he had his uses, and now he's gone because of you.
yo, my K, what's that?
You have a debt. You're no fun anymore.
What do you want?
How about peace? How does peace strike the esteemed, retired god of war? How about we just don't kill each other? How about you stay home, kick up your feet, seek no quarrel with me, and I'll have none with you. Of course, it means that that one has to stop his search for Tyr.
Yeah. We know what you've been up to. Stop it.
Tyr's old ways are dead. He is dead. You understand? And then that's it. Then we're square. Shit, I'll even sweeten the deal. I'll let you keep the prisoner that I know you stole.
My man.
That's right. I know you're in here somewhere, you silver-tongued little shit.
Why should we believe a word of you? What have your promises ever been worth?
There he is, my old partner in crime.
He's lost weight.
If he tells you snow is white, he's lying.
What kind of wisdom is that? Can't the smartest head alive see past himself? See that we all want the same thing? All right. Here's a deal I know you can trust. I'll settle your debt with my ex. Keep Freya off your back. Keep your boy safe. That's really all you want, isn't it? So what do you say?
No.
Let's bring it on.
Don't take all day.
About time.
Negros Oriental Pindoyos.
I've been waiting for this. You're not
right.
from here. We got a tradition called blood payments. It means I get a piece of you for what you took from my family. You'll pick it up.
That was for Boulder. Now show me this god killer I've heard so much about. You can't fight without your axe, coward.
I did not seek that fight with your brother. I don't care. You know my past.
The ghost of Sparta thing? Yeah.
Then know what I'm capable of.
Show me! Now we gotta fight! You insult me holding back like this. Look at you, trying to remember your old moves. How were you ever a god of war? Was hoping to see your blade. Guess they don't come when you love. You're fucking hopeless. You spit on my son's memories. I can't believe they lost to you.
Got a wall. Last fight? No, this is just the first fight, bro.
Sorry about your statue, Tyr, you preachy old. If you're not fighting dirty, you're not fighting, right? You should be better than this!
Your son struck first. Good.
Did my undying blind fucking look!
Ah,
Dumbass! You think you can come here, become a daddy, get a clean slate? That ain't how it works. You're a destroyer, like me. Oh no. I say when we're done. I'm not leaving till I see the real you. Get up! Let me see the monster inside! Stop holding back!
wow. Wanda, yeah, bro.
This is for Modi! You put him last, even in death! The fuck you say? Modi sought us in fear of you. He died of the wounds you gave him. Oh, we got a model father here. This feels familiar. What? Don't matter. I could give a hot shit about your fatherly advice. I want to see the god of war. I will end it. This is the god that murdered a pantheon because they hurt his feelings. Now we're talking. That's all? And we're finally showing. Clever! Clever won't beat me! No way my boy fell to this! Show me who you are! This is the man who faced down Sigrid, the Valkyrie Queen!
Oh, that one is too hard.
This is the foreign god that best took over? I see why my sons fell to you. Even this lesser version of you. But I am not my sons. And your boy, Allfather, has plans for him.
Yo, Chris, what's up? Yeah, bro. It's really strong.
There he is. There's the god of war.
Took off his teeth.
That paid. Be seeing you. Told you he'd make it.
Kratos! It's Sindri and Brock. That was quite a fight. Can we...
Oh, now! Odin is with Atreus.
Oh, no. I'll go get a gateway ready.
Come on, then. Ain't a long walk. Well, good to see you making new friends. Ain't that Mjolnir pack a punch? I know we made that hammer, right?
You have mentioned it.
I know that. Wasn't ever sure you were listening. At least it was good to see the axe hold her own.
All set. This'll get you home.
Yo, my K, what's up?
Hey, one last thing there, Tiny. If you got Aesir at your door, then I reckon your protection stays busted. Once you chase Odin off, you got another place to lay your head tonight? And I don't mean that talking, though.
I will not abandon my home.
Oh, yeah? And what's to stop the all-fucker from spying on you? Or Raven pecking your house to splinters while you're asleep in it? Nothing, that's what. You go get your boy, and I'll speak to a certain someone about putting you up at his place in a pinch.
All right, guys.
Brother!
I was about to look for you.
Are you hurt?
Are you?
What does he want?
To, pay for the roof. And he invited me to Asgard.